Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can get your Phantom wallet address. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Phantom wallet app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign in to your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now tap on the receive icon at the left side and a bunch of addresses will appear in front of you. Here, if you tap on this QR code icon, then the address QR code will be displayed along with the address at the bottom. But if you go back to the list and tap on any one of the cryptos, the wallet address will be copied to your clipboard automatically. You can again access the QR code by tapping on the code icon again and then scan it to use its features. So that's basically how you can get your Phantom wallet address. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.